interesting by kind of trying to recreate Doja Cat's look in her Vogue video. Since she has pink hair, I have pink hair. It makes sense to me. And apologies for my wig looking a little crusty. It is what it is. I'll have to add some heat to it, I think. So, mind you, I'm going to wash my hands really quickly. Pretty much anytime I touch my face, I want to wash my hands prior. And this prevents me from breaking out as much as I used to. I'm also very, very much into cleaning my brushes after every single use. So I do that. Before we started applying makeup though, I figured I should put on some SPF, and this is a very important step. So if you're not putting on SPF, please do. It's great for your skin. Alright. I just have a little mirror over here. Okay. Let's move on to foundation. I will be applying, I'm deciding between liquid and powder. Yeah, let's do liquid. So this is the Rare Beauty foundation. And this is Selena Gomez's line, right? It's in the shade 170W, which is actually slightly a bit too light for me right now, probably. I'm also not the biggest fan of the doe foot applicator. I think it's kind of non-hygienic, but I haven't really noticed breakouts from it, so it's probably fine. And I'm just applying it evenly. Is that even? I don't know. I'm just applying it all over my face. Alright. So this foundation you could definitely build up, but since I'm not really going out today probably, I am just applying a little bit. So see, I think it adds a little bit of coverage. Doesn't look like a mask. Pretty. And I guess it's not that bad a match right now. I thought I was tanner. Okay. Also, I'm not using any of Doja Cat's original products, so I'm just trying to remember her overall look, and I believe it was like a purple eye, which is really pretty. So, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I actually have pretty long lashes, but they just, curve down, unfortunately. I've tried doing, what's it called, lash extensions, but I had kind of a so-so experience with it. It was expensive, and my natural lashes fell out. So it took me a while for them to grow back, because apparently lashes have this like weird growth cycle where it takes like months and months for them to grow in the length that they were before. I didn't know that. Okay, so next I'm just gonna apply some Tarte Shape Tape. I actually have like a full-sized version in my bedroom. Honestly, usually I just blend with my finger, but I'm gonna try with my brush today just because it's here. So I'm just getting rid of like some of the redness under my eye. I feel like Doja Cat would do that. So yeah, it definitely brightens the eye. Just applying some by the brow bone, because why not? And I feel awake already. I actually didn't get the best night's sleep because I'm eyes, but I'm thinking now is a good time for eyes because I'm going to start off by using this Morphe palette, and it's the Maddie Ziegler collab. I'm going to apply this purple first to my lid. Yeah, and I'm just applying this purple to my eye. Also, I can't for the life of me, like I've been watching, I don't know if like you guys can relate, but I've been watching like makeup videos for years on YouTube, and somehow like, you know, it goes in one ear, goes out the other. I don't remember like techniques or anything like that. So the shades I just used from the palette are She Insists and Posse. Okay, so right now I'm just like deepening this. And from the video, I believe she used like a brown color as a transition. Honestly, I kind of liked deeper purple as a transition, but I want to stay true to what she did. So I'm gonna take M3 and Latte. Yeah, that's maybe a lot. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply that to the crease. I'm applying a little bit of Kenny as well. Why not? Hopefully it doesn't look muddy. It's just like they're all kind of blending together. I am using a pretty diffuse brush, so I'm not expecting precision. Next, I am going to apply Honest Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. DOJA Cat kind of did like a winged eyeliner, so I'm going to look off to the distance a little bit just to make sure that I don't completely mess it up. And this is like very imprecise. And my eye is not gonna look like hers. And I am not going anywhere. I don't think I'm leaving the house today. So my version is gonna be more muted and understated. I'm going to do my brows. And my brows are, I would say they're like more on the medium side naturally. My brow maintenance is like super just lazy. I pluck sometimes. I rarely get a unibrow, which is good. So it's not one of those bushy brows that's so in, but I like them. And I'm going to apply this Total Temptation Maybelline brow liner. And this is in a dark brown shade. And I'm just going in to the areas where my brow isn't so filled in. Yeah, so I'm just kind of following the natural contours of my eyebrows. And I'm also being careful not to over apply because it has this brush end that kind of diffuses the color. This product I got from Amazon, just a random find, and I really like it. It really makes my brows look fuller. Okay, that's probably good enough. Alright, so next I'm going to apply some mascara, which is my favorite part. And this product is from Item Beauty, which is Addison Rae's brand. And I just think it's so cute. It's like a clean beauty brand. And I was using the Essence Lash Princess mascara for a while, and I would notice that it was very difficult to take off at night. And so my lashes would break with this mind spending a little more if it means having nicer looking lashes, because lashes are really something that really livens up your face and makes it look more feminine. So I think it's one of those products that is slept on, and that's worth investing in. So next I am going to, I don't think I brought contour, so I'm just going to apply some brightening powder and eyelash and lips. So this brightening duo is my absolute favorite. This is from Dragon Beauty, and it's Nikita Dragon's brand, and I know she's a controversial figure for sure. I do like her aesthetic, the pink hair, all of that. I purchased this about a year ago, and I still have a lot left, which is nice because I use it so often. It's just a great product. I've tried banana powders from, let's see, Essence, Ben Nye, is that right? Yeah, I'm not sure which. Oh, so I've tried other brands, and this is beyond just my favorite thing ever. Okay, and I'll show you why. So the top color is definitely like a diffusing pinky peach, and that's really good for like softening lines like nasolabial folds and all that. And the banana powder is just adds that extra oomph to your under eye. So I'll show you, let you guys see the difference. So, and I'm working with natural lighting, so who knows how much of a difference you can see. But I'll start off with the pink one. So just applying it to my under eye with this Real Techniques brush. And in person, for sure, you can already see the difference. It just lifts your eyes. And my nasolabial folds, basically, like, I apply it wherever I would apply setting powder, wherever I get oily, because it helps with just keeping everything looking nice and fresh. And then also my chin, and I'm kind of combining the two. And right here is nice too, because this is also where I get oily. So I'm just gonna apply a bit more of the yellow one. Okay. So yeah, I'm feeling nice already. Okay, so next is blush, and I think I spend the most on blush out of, well, maybe foundation, but also blush, because there's so many interesting combinations you can make and so many different brands. So this blush palette is really cute. It came in a boxy charm, and it's from Alamar Cosmetics, which is like a Latina-owned brand, which is cool. And generally, I use these two shades right here. It's Isla and Toasted. And just apply it with my foundation brush, why not? Okay. And DOJA definitely applied a lot of blush, so I'm gonna go ham with it. And just apply it to the apples of my cheeks. And what she did was she applied it like really high up. I adore blush. It just makes you look so alive and young. I love it. So see, it's kind of giving like a cute e-girl look already. look. It's probably not the exact shade she had in the video. That's if I... Oh, okay. We'll make it work. This is more of like a burnt red. It still has the emblem. That's how unused it is. I don't know why I brought it, but add a little bit of color. We'll make this work by diffusing it with a finger, because her lip was a muted pink. I definitely need to exfoliate my lips a little bit. Okay, let's apply some gloss because my lips are feeling so chapped. And this one's from Morphe, also from the Maddie Ziegler collection. It's a little sticky, but I like it. Okay, and you know what? Let's top it off with some glitter, because why not? This is the Diamond Crusher from Lime Crime in Strip, and this is just so fun. It's a topper, just to make, it's a little drying too, but it's really cute because there's nothing really like it in the market. And I'll just add some cool glitter to your lips. Your lips are looking huge right now. Okay. So that is the finished look. It's very like kawaii, at the same time like wearable. I would definitely wear this outside because it's still like muted enough where it's cute and not crazy. Like I won't look like a crazy lady going to the grocery store, hopefully. So let's finish this off by applying some body butter, just because I want to smell good. This is in the shade British Rose from the Body Shop. It's just so nice. It's like aromatherapy. I love it. I'm just gonna apply a dollop onto my hands and my chest. I'm in my cozy robe. I just feel so cozy. And I kind of want to go out too because I did my makeup. It's so good. Okay. Alright. If you enjoy my content, please feel free to subscribe. I'll be posting videos pretty regularly, probably twice a week.